Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Ma'am, we are fine.
Okay. Ready with your books?
Yes, ma'am.
We completed our chapter in the morning. Now, what you have to do is you have to try doing the exercises.
मैं एक तुम्हें बढ़िया सी चीज दिखाने वाला हूँ बाद में क्लास हो जाएगा।
Children, we have to do these exercises now. Now, try out doing the exercises on your own on page number 123. I'm giving you 5 minutes to do A, B, and C. Let me see how many of you are able to complete these exercises and do it on your own. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Just try to find out the answers yourself. Come on, start.
देखो तो आपको Ma'am, I have already done A, B, and C exercise.
Very nice, beta. Those who have not done, please try it out. Avika, are you able to do it? Avika, are you able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, do it.
Ma'am, what are we doing right now?
Noel, I told the class to do the exercises of this chapter on their own. All the students are trying to do exercise number A, B, and C on their own. You have 5 minutes to do this work and then we are going to discuss all the answers. Just try to find out the answers yourself from the chapter.
Ma'am, I have done B exercise. Now I am doing A and C.
Nice. Very nice, beta. Very good.
Ma'am, please tell what we were doing.
Beta, we are doing the exercises of the chapter we read in the morning. You have to do the exercises on your own. All the students are finding the answers themselves from the chapter. And then after 5 minutes, we are going to discuss it. Exercise A, B, and C.
Okay.
Done? Everyone has done? Everybody, children, all of you, please open your cameras.
Ma'am, we have done A and B exercise.
Now you're doing C?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Navira Salman, what about you, beta? Avika, Navira, Pratishtha, Noel, Ritvik, everybody, Mohammed Fahad. Ritvik, have you done?
Ma'am, we have done.
What about Ritvik, Avika?
Ma'am, I have done.
All right. Ritvik, read out the first sentence from the fill in the blanks.
The Constitution of India has dash scheduled languages.
Yes.
22.
What is the answer?
22.
Very good. The answer is 22. Write down. Though Navira, Noel, Pratishtha, and Shreyansh, can't you listen to me? That you have to open your cameras. Write down the answer 22 of first fill in the blank. Avika, read out the second fill in the blank.
A dash is also called a location or a
Local or
A dash is also called a local or a religion language.
regional language. What is also called? What is the answer, Avika? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Shaurya, what is the answer?
Dialect.
Dialect. It's a dialect. A dialect is also called a local or a regional language. Good. Then, Navira, read out the third sentence.
Dash and dash are official languages for correspondence in India.
Okay. What is the answer?
Ma'am, Hindi and English.
Very good. The answer is Hindi and English. We have two languages that are used for official purposes. Okay. Then, Apurva, read out the last sentence.
People wear dash clothes on special occasions. I'm traditional.
Very nice. People wear traditional clothes on special occasions. Very good. Very nice. Now, coming on to the next one. Match the following. Shreyansh, have you done this? Match the following.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Will you be able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Read out. Read out the first one. What does the first one match to? Read out what is the first one?
Chhatta Puja.
Chhat Puja. Where is Chhat Puja done? In which place?
Ma'am, please tell. Ma'am, in Bihar. Ma'am, please tell in the Bihar. Answer of third, fourth, and fifth.
Which one are you asking, Avika? Fill in the blanks.
Yes, ma'am.
Fill in the blank. Third one, dash and dash are official languages. Hindi and English. Then fourth is people wear traditional clothes. What do people wear on special occasions? Suppose you have to go for a this thing, Dandiya night. It is a special occasion. What will you wear? Will you wear your normal clothes? No, you will wear proper traditional clothes for that occasion. So people wear traditional clothes on special occasions. Okay. Chhat Puja matches to which state?
Bihar.
Bihar. Chhat Puja is done in Bihar. Then Saraswati Puja. Saraswati Puja is done where?
Bengal.
Saraswati Puja is done in Bengal. Then we have Ganesh Chaturthi.
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Then we have Baisakhi
Punjab.
in Punjab. Then after that we have Bihu. Where is Bihu?
Assam.
Yes, Bihu is a dance style, dance form, which is famous from the state of Assam. Now write true and false. Read out. Apurva, what is the first sentence?
The population of India is growing rapidly.
True or false?
True.
Yes, it is growing rapidly. What is the meaning of rapidly? Rapidly means very fast. The population of India is growing very fast. Then the second one, Ritvik Arora.
All languages have a script. True.
False.
All languages have a script.
False.
Okay.
False.
On page number 120, Ritvik, turn to page number 120. In the paragraph of languages, can you see in red written dialects? Right after dialects, read out that line. Read it loudly.
Some languages are only spoken languages and do not have a script.
And now come to true and false. What is the true and false?
False.
False.
False, na? All languages have a script? No. Some languages are only spoken languages. They do not have a script. Then the third one. Navira, read out the third one.
All the people in India speak the same language.
False.
False. False.
False. All the people in India speak the same language. No. Then the fourth one. Shreyansh, read out the fourth one.
Rice is the staple diet for the people in the desert region.
False.
Shreyansh, what is the answer?
False.
False. Okay, what is the staple food of the people of desert region? What is the staple food of the people living in the desert region? Tell me. What is mostly grown there? Yes?
Bajra.
Yes, very nice. It's bajra. It's jowar and bajra. What people eat in the desert region. Okay. Now, all of you be ready with your copies. We are going to start off with the question answers. Do you have your copies with you or you have to bring them?
Ma'am, we have.
Very nice. Now, write down question number 1. Write down chapter name, questions. Put today's date. Write down every detail. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the first question?
What is by population?
Anybody knows the answer?
Ma'am, I know.
Okay, tell. Noel, where were you? We have done all the exercises. Where were you all this while? Huh? You joined the class late.
Ma'am, I was taking bath.
Now, will you be able to do the exercises on your own?
Ma'am, I had done the exercises.
All right, very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I answer the first question?
Yes, answer.
Ma'am,
Population means the number of people living in a place.
Very nice, very good. Children, I'm typing the answer for those who cannot write it on their own. Please see from the chat box. Else, who can write, please start writing. Children, the answer is there. Write it and let me know.
ma'am, I have done.
Write down the next question. Done, written. Written, everyone?
Ma'am, we are writing.
Okay. Everyone has written the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read out. What is the next question?
Why are festivals important?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Why are?
Ma'am, can I give answer?
Lakshay, do you want to answer?
Yes.
Yes, okay, answer.
Festivals are a time for celebration, joy, and sharing. They bring communities together and strengthen the bonds between us. We all love to dress up, eat special food.
Okay, so that's right, Lakshay, but we are not going to write the same what is given in the book. We are not going to copy it. No doubt, the reason is this only why festivals are important. So I'm typing the answer in the chat box, children. Please, every one of you, write it from there. Begin your answer writing. Festivals are important because. Different communities. Okay. Festivals are important because it is a time for celebration, joy, and sharing. It brings different communities together and makes the bond between the people stronger.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, ma'am, answer two again. it is not seeing the answer too.
All right, beta, I'll send it again. Wait. Now just take the screenshot of it, Lakshay. Written, beta?
Ma'am, we are writing.
Yes?
Ma'am, I have done.
Good. What about others?
Ma'am, we are writing.
Ma'am, I have done and written question 3 also.
Very nice.
Celebrated in
Mama,
Ma'am, can I tell the answer 3?
ma'am, I have written question 3 also.
Ma'am, I have
Yes? Okay. Okay. What is question number 3? List the names of 4 New Year festivals celebrated in India. Can any one of you tell the answer?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Onam, Navroz,
Gudi Padwa
Gudi Padwa,
and
and Poila Baisakh.
yes. These are the names of New Year celebrated in India. 4 New Year festivals.
Ma'am, please write answer 3 in chat box.
Beta, I'm typing it. Please wait. The 4 New Year festivals celebrated in India are Onam, Navroz, Gudi Padwa, and Poila Boishakh. Write it down. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, written?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Write down the next question.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, only 1 minute is left.
Now, children, I have typed answer number 4 also in the chat box. Everybody, please take a screenshot of this and start writing this answer so that we can complete answer in brief in today's class. Okay? In the next class, we are going to start answer in detail. Everybody take the screenshot and keep writing till the class gets over.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good, beta. Very nice.